I'll wait to see your golden smile, feel of 1,000 kisses. Oh, please stay a while. I'll reach up to hold your sunlit face. Feels like a handful of silk now. I'm in your warm embrace. Oh, I hope this feeling lasts till the oceans turn to glass and the world around us turns and fades.
Put the board on top of it.
You're gonna put a wooden slat all the way across?
Well, it's going to probably come out a ways and then come like this and then go back like that. So
And then
there's
you've got
room right there to
stairs.
go underneath.
Yeah. Very nice. Fun times. What are you barking at? Hang on, you're gonna crash into the wall. Boink. Don't fall into the hole. Let's see.
I
Wow.
want you to try to get down it and just see.
Oh my God. Very nice. Water maker. Access. Whatever that is, access. Generator access. Whatever that is.
Battery for the generator.
Battery for the generator. I didn't know we had a battery for the generator. And a beautiful sunset. Very nice. Where'd the dog go? Oh.
It's sturdy. Hold her and I'll show you why it's sturdy. See that?
Yeah.
That's sitting on top of it. And this over here is holding it right there against that wall. Right there. So, and it's hitting there and hitting there, so it's just perfect.
And it didn't go through, so we're not gonna have water coming into the boat from the underbelly.
Sand it and finish it up. Whatever.
So we got the white, what's the white goopy stuff for?
It's a filler.
A filler. And then we painted it gray, and by we I mean Donovan. Ooh, it stinks. Having fun? Listening to Tears for Fears? Oh, it's a good song. Beautiful day. It's been absolutely freezing the last couple of days, but it's hard to complain when you see this.
Who grilled those?
Yeah.
Wow.
I wonder how long those burgers gonna last.
Yeah, those
Been
dogs are
sniffing
like,
about.
Those are the largest burgers I think I've ever seen in my life.
take the bag.
What bag?
Take the bag and just put a couple
Hey, Finn.
Open the door, that's what we do.
Alright. One fin, two fin. Oh my God, this boat is a mess. All that stuff goes in the locker in the bow that Donovan's building the steps in. Well, these are the steps he's painting. Those are solar panels that we're gonna install. More stuff that goes in the bow of the boat, so it's usually not this messy, but who am I kidding? And this is where we're at so far, and by we I mean Donovan. He put fiberglass, so it looks like it's part of the boat. And then he has a loose shelf that goes underneath there. So that's this project so far. It's doing pretty good. fabulous. Oh, you put black stripes on the steps so you don't slip. Very nice.